New tonight in Money Manners, learning to manage your money is challenging for adults. What about children? Teaching the power of a dollar early in life is important, and reporter Jane Morrell explains a new app helping children learn skills in money management.
It's called BusyKid and teaches children as early as 5 years old about earning and saving money. Founder Gregg Murset says he started the app when he was trying to teach his kids about money.
I needed to figure out a way to teach our kids essentially two primary things: how to work and earn money, and then once you get the money, how do you manage it in a way that's going to set you up for success in the future.
Murset's app aims to do that by instilling a work-money connection, which for kids involves doing chores.
They've got to understand that money comes from working. I've searched high and low. I haven't found a job where you can sit around and do nothing and still get paid. That doesn't really, occur in the real world. So you got to make that work-money connection.
Murset says once they earn the money, it's then about teaching them to be smart with it.
If they just earn it and burn it all, then they're not getting anywhere. They're just spinning their wheels. You've got to teach them a balanced financial approach. Once they earn it, they need to save and invest some of that money.
Once they've saved some, then they can use the rest for something fun.
You've got a boy who just can't get enough of sports and just wants to go to, professional baseball games all the time. Great. Let them earn the money to go to the game and to buy the hot dog and the peanuts and all that. Just figure it out, and then they'll run with it.
Murset says he hopes this will also help kids realize that every dollar matters.
You go out to dinner as a family, let them help you pay the bill, right? Like, let them help you figure out the tip and all the things. Be more transparent, and they're going to be like, oh my goodness, I can't believe that it cost us $70 to go out to dinner tonight. And to earn $70, it takes me 3 weeks, scooping dog poop and cleaning the car and doing all this stuff. Their eyes will start to open.
Murset says with a little practice, your kids can become experts.
If you want to get good at something, the old adage, right? You got to practice. If you want to get good at basketball or dance or whatever, you got to do it a lot. Same thing with money. You've got to learn how to earn it and then manage it properly. And the next thing you know, you're going to be pretty good at it.